If you work on engines, pumps, hydraulic systems, or precision mechanical assemblies, you already know one thing. It only takes one scratch on a sealing surface to create a future leak. Metal picks may remove O-rings quickly, but they can also groove aluminum housings, scratch seal channels, or damage soft mating surfaces. That damage may not be visible immediately, but it can lead to oil leaks, coolant leaks, hydraulic failures, and costly rework. That's exactly why Bojo Tools engineers developed the ORT2 3KIT XNGL 3-piece heavy-duty O-ring pick tool kit, designed specifically to help remove O-rings and seals while reducing the risk of scratching delicate components. This kit helps protect sealing surfaces and reduce the likelihood of future fluid leaks. The kit includes 3 dual-ended tools: the ORT2 170-173 XNGL, the ORT2 171-172 XNGL, and the ORT2 174-175 XNGL. Together, they provide a range of working geometries, including straight precision picks, 2 hook profiles, and angled tips. This combination allows you to access deep grooves, remove thin or fragile O-rings, work around tight clearances, adjust seals with precision and control. Each tool measures approximately 6 1/4 inches in length, giving you reach without sacrificing handling accuracy. What truly sets this kit apart is the material. These tools are molded from Bojo's XNGL Composite, a hybrid plastic material with 50% glass-filled nylon. This formulation delivers exceptional strength and long tool life, with inherent resistance to solvents and paint strippers, making it ideal for demanding shop environments. You get the strength required for tough removal operations, without the surface-damaging risk that metal tools can introduce. Each pick also features Bojo's unique center handle design for a firm, comfortable grip, improving operator control during sensitive tasks. Proudly made in the USA, under strict quality standards and backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. To learn more about this kit or explore our full line of composite O-ring pick tools and seal applicators, visit bojotools.com. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your next project.